If you are using voice access to control your computer or dictate, your microphone can pick up unwanted background noise. You can train voice access to recognise your voice by setting up voice isolation. You can also configure the settings to eliminate background noise altogether. To set up voice isolation, go to Settings, Improve Speech Recognition, and select Setup next to the voice isolation option. The Setup wizard will guide you through a short exercise where you will be asked to read a paragraph out loud. When you do this, make sure you are somewhere quiet. I will read this short paragraph to help you learn my voice. This will help in places where other sounds can get in the way. I'll speak clearly at a natural pace and I'll keep going even if I pause. If I need to try again, I will re-record this paragraph and speak more slowly. To remove background noise, go to Settings, Improve Speech Recognition, and select Remove Background Noise Only. If you want to re-record your voice or remove it, you can do this by going to Settings, Improve Speech Recognition, Manage Voice Isolation. From here, you can select to re-record your voice or delete it altogether.